Do you want to make changes in your life and achieve your heart desire, but you don't know how? Or you may worked hard on yourself, but it seems like nothing is working for me, so what is the problem? Hello, my name is Sumaya, and in my channel, you're gonna learn a lot about yourself. You're gonna actually discover yourself and learn a lot of techniques that will help you achieve your heart desire. In my channel, I'm gonna speak about the 4 parts of you that you need to work on, and you need to understand each part of you. So you're gonna learn about mind, body, spirit, and shadow. Most people think there is just 3 parts of me I need to work on, which mind and body and spirit. They forgot about the shadow. So what is the shadow and why I need to work on it? So follow me to know more. Thank you.